Fiber Cable Standards 10-base-T. An Ethernet standard offering 10 Mbps bandwidth over twisted pair cables, typically Cat3 or higher. It supports network lengths up to 328 feet 100 meters, 100 base TX. A fast Ethernet standard capable of 100 Mbps bandwidth, usually over Cat5e cabling. It maintains signal integrity up to 328 feet 100 meters. 1000 base T. A gigabit Ethernet standard that operates at 1 Gbps over Cat5e or higher copper wiring, with a distance limit of up to 328 feet 100 meters. 10G base T provides 10 Gbps Ethernet over Cat6a or Cat7 twisted pair cabling and can transmit up to 180 feet 55 meters with Cat6 cabling and up to 328 feet 100 meters with Cat6a or Cat7. 40G base T. This standard supports 40 Gbps Ethernet over twisted pair cabling and can reach up to 98 feet 30 meters when using Cat8 cabling. 1000 base LX. Designed for long wavelength gigabit Ethernet over fiber, it can go up to 16,404 feet 5 meters with single mode fiber and up to 1T804 feet 550 meters with multi-mode. 1000 base SX. A standard for short wavelength signals over fiber optic, capable of up to 1,804 feet 550 meters on multi-mode fibers. 10G base LR. A 10 gigabit Ethernet standard for long reach over single mode fiber, able to transmit data up to 32,808 feet 10,000 meters. 10G base SR, suited for short reach on multi-mode fiber. This standard can handle distances up to 312 feet 400 meters with 10 Gbps Ethernet. Network engineer training. In the world of network engineering, the choice of cabling and standards is determined by the specific needs of the network, including the required speed, distance, and type of traffic. Here's how each fiber standard might be used for specific reasons or jobs. 10 base T. This is an early Ethernet standard typically used in legacy systems or where low bandwidth suffices. It's often found in small office or home networks where high speeds aren't necessary. The use of Cat3 or higher cabling makes it a cost-effective option for short distance, low speed requirements. 100 base TX. As a fast Ethernet standard, 100 base TX is common in slightly more modern, but still budget-conscious network installations. It's suitable for small to medium-sized businesses or educational institutions where higher speeds are needed, but gigabit rates aren't required. The use of Cat5e cabling allows for better signal integrity and slightly longer distances. 1000 base T. This gigabit Ethernet standard is widely used in current office and commercial networks where higher data rates are essential. It's suitable for networks that handle large file transfers, high-definition video streaming, or intensive online applications, offering a significant speed boost over 100 base TX. 10G base T. Offering 10 Gbps Ethernet, this standard is used in environments requiring high-speed data transfer, such as data centers, enterprise backbones, or high-performance computing networks. The use of Cat6a or Cat7 cabling allows for faster data transmission over longer distances, making it ideal for modern, high-speed networks. 40G base T. This is typically employed in advanced data center networks or infrastructure supporting very high volume, high-speed data transfer needs. The use of Cat8 cabling allows reaching higher speeds over short distances, suitable for connecting high-speed servers, storage, and switches.
1000 base LX designed for long wavelength gigabit Ethernet over fiber. It's used in metropolitan area networks, MANs, or as part of the backbone in large organizations. With its long reach, it's ideal for connecting buildings or facilities spread over large distances.
1000 base SEX. This standard is tailored for short wavelength signals over fiber optic and is typically used within a single building or campus. The shorter reach and high speed make it suitable for local area networks with high data transfer requirements. 10G base LR offering 10 Gbps Ethernet over longer distances. This is used in extensive network backbones, metropolitan networks, or any long distance, high-speed link where high bandwidth and minimal signal loss are crucial. 10G base are suited for short distances. This standard is often employed in data centers or within buildings for connecting servers, storage, and switches at high speeds. It's designed for networks where high data throughput and capacity are critical, but the distances are relatively short. Each of these standards is chosen based on the specific speed, distance, and budget requirements of the network they serve. Understanding the capabilities and limitations of each is crucial for network engineers to design and implement efficient, reliable, and scalable networks. Whether for a small office, a bustling data center, or a wide-reaching metropolitan network, selecting the appropriate cabling and standard is key to ensuring the network meets the demands of its users.